Montessori language class. Teach your child to read and write with our free online tutorials.
Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn letter Y and Z. This is Y. Y says Y. Say Y. Y, yo, yo, yo. Y, yam. Y, yarn. Y, yolk, yolk. This is Z. Z says Z. Say Z. Zebra, zebra. Zero, zero. Zucchini, zucchini. Zip, zip. Can you cut this worksheet around the dotted line? And when you are done cutting, you're going to put all the pictures next to you. Like this. And now we are going to sort all these pictures by their first sound. You are going to work with me. Let's start. When we say yo-yo, what first sound we make? Yo, 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 yo. Goes under yo. Can you put picture of yo-yo under yo? When we say zebra, what first sound we make? Zebra. Zebra goes under z. Can you put picture of zebra under z? Yeah. Yam. Yeah. Zero. 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 Z. Yarn. Yarn. Yeah. Zucchini. Zucchini. Z. Yeah. Yolk. Yolk. Yeah. Zip. Zip. Z. Are you done sorting all your pictures? Let's move and we'll play now I Spy game. I spy with my little eye something start with yeah. Let's find something start with yeah. Oh, yeah, yak, yak, yeah. We are done with this yeah. We are going to circle here. I spy with my little eye something start with z. Let's find something start with z. Oh, zip line, zip line, zip line. We're done with this z. We're gonna circle that too. Now you are going to find rest of the pictures for sound and circle all the Y and Z. And when you're done, we can move on to next one. The picture is this zip, zip. Start with Z. To find Z, go here. I'm going to circle that. Now you are going to find rest of the first sound of this picture and circle them. And when you are done, we'll move on to next one. Let's learn how to write Y and Z. We are going to start with this dot here and follow this arrow. Watch first. Can you trace on Y in your worksheet? Let's trace one more time. Now we are going to trace on C. So again we'll start with this dot, follow that arrow. Watch first. Can you trace on Z? Let's start one more time. Let's trace one more time. Are you done tracing? Good. You did a good job today. Well, we are done with today's lesson. See you next time. Bye bye.